Vice President Mike Pence holds his first meeting today as head of the coronavirus task force amid reports of the first possible person-to-person spread of the virus within a U.S. community. Alice Barr has the latest from Washington.
President Mike Pence projecting confidence as he takes over the nation's coordinated response to the coronavirus amid criticism the Trump administration isn't doing enough.
That the full resources of the federal government continue to be brought to bear.
Concern mounting as the Centers for Disease Control confirms what may be the first U.S. case of community transmission. A person in Northern California who hasn't traveled internationally or had close contact with a known patient.
Maybe they're a traveler who came back, somehow spread it to this person. You mentioned a coffee shop. It's possible, but that means that community spread is happening in the U.S.
California health officials say the patient was not tested for coronavirus for several days while hospitalized because he or she didn't fit federal criteria.
I want to know, why it's taking so long to test folks. We've got to get those test kits out to the hospitals and the health facilities that are on the front line.
House Speaker Nancy Pelosi today saying the Trump administration hasn't asked for enough money for testing equipment and vaccine development. She's promising to work across the aisle to secure billions of dollars in funding.
The president cannot transfer any of these new funds to anything other than use for the coronavirus threat.
At a press conference last night, President Trump contradicting a CDC warning that an outbreak in the U.S. is all but inevitable.
No, I don't think it's inevitable. I don't think it's inevitable.
This as stocks plunged yet again over fears of the virus spreading, making this the worst week on Wall Street since the financial crisis of 2008.